How's it going, guys? It's Kevin from SubiSpeed, and on this week's 2-Minute Tuesday, I'm going to show you guys which fuse locations to use when you're wiring up accessories. And if you've also seen our latest video, you guys know that I have a ton of parts that I need to get rid of, so periodically throughout the next couple weeks or months or however long it takes to get rid of all that stuff, I'm going to post on Instagram giveaways for whatever products I have with instructions on how to enter, so hopefully we can get rid of this huge pile of stuff that's been populating my bay. If you guys didn't already know, your car has two fuse box locations, one in the engine bay and one in the interior on the driver's side. So naturally, if you're wiring something up on the front end of the car, you're going to use the one in the engine bay. And if you're wiring something up in the interior, you're obviously going to use the one inside. For the fuse box in the engine bay that's located right behind the battery, you're going to want to use this fuse location right here. What you're going to want to do is take an add fuse, cut off one of the legs like I have done here, and then you're going to insert that leg into that location, and that is going to power whatever you're installing once the car is turned on. So it's perfect for DRL fog light bezels, sea lights, halos, or whatever it is you may be installing that you want to turn on when the car is running. Now inside the car, the fuse box is located on the driver's side behind this cover here, but I can't really get a good shot to show you the actual fuse box, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this whole cover to give you a better look. Now for this fuse box, you have a couple different options to choose from. We recommend using the 12-volt plug fuse location, or you can use the one we're using here, which is the seat heater fuse. Or if you have multiple accessories to power, you can use both. That pretty much wraps it up, guys. So whether you are installing some DRL fog light bezels or an RGB footwell lighting kit inside your car, those fuse locations are going to allow you to power your accessories. Also, since I did mention the giveaway pile, we might as well start today. I have right here a Perrin Shifter Stop for the 2015 to 2017 WRX that's looking for a new owner. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe, like this video, and comment down below with your favorite modifications you've done to your car. And I will announce the winner of this in next week's 2-Minute Tuesday video. And I'll see you guys next time.